welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AKAAWOL, and today we're going to use the template again. Same one we made a couple days ago, and yeah, you might notice no guidelines. I have this idea. Let's see, so this is out 3, this is out here. So I have this idea where I'm gonna make a diamond shape right in the middle of the bracelet. So see how that's a contrasting bluish color in the midst of those. So there's our first one. So that's sort of, it's got 3 in the middle of it. So next, I want to do a smaller diamond. So this out to there would have been the same size. So this is less. This is 4 versus 5. Okay, great. So 4. So this is 2, 3, 4. And so that goes out to there. So there, we have a big diamond, we have a smaller diamond. Let's do the same thing on the other side before we get ahead of ourselves too much. 2, 3, 4. I'm not 100% sold that this is going to be as awesome as I first thought it would be, but I still think it's going to be kind of awesome. So that's 4 knots across. Let's go with a diamond even smaller still. So 1, 2, 3, and then this is here. 1, 2, 3, and this one's here. And I go up above. I do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, and here and here. Oh yeah. So that's, you can definitely see that there's something going on. It's going to be more profound in the bracelet itself. But yeah, we'll have to wait and kind of see how that turns out. So to go smaller still would be just doing a little diamond like that. Now, let's do that on the other side as well. So now the question is, how do I do I just do a single rose for the rest, or keep doing these kind of diamonds? I think I'm gonna just make, it's just gonna stay to this size, only because I think it'll just be more interesting to look at. And we could go all the way to the end. Do we want to do that? It just turns out that it's like a perfect diamond right at the end. So let's just go ahead and do that as well then. Let's go back up here to the top part. Again, this whole making these patterns is possible because of the template. Like without the template, I'd be hard pressed to throw this together. It would take forever. So yeah, and the template's available on my website if you want to give it a go. While we're talking about websites and stuff, let me just thank my YouTube members for making this stuff possible. One of the expenses I seldomly talk about is my website. It costs me a lot to have that up. And it's the YouTube members who help make that possible. So thank you guys so very much. I think this will be a fun one. It may not be as easy because I'm going to have to really watch the pattern and make sure that I get the diamonds in the right places and stuff. But that said, I don't think it's a very difficult pattern to do at all. I think if you're a beginner and you just kind of stay focused on what you're doing, I think this will be fine. So yeah, we'll find out here soon enough. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.